What if I told you there's a planet where it literally rains rocks from the sky? Welcome to Coro 7b, an insanely hostile world about 500 light-years away. This planet orbits its star so closely, it's hotter than lava, with surface temperatures reaching 2,400 degrees Celsius. The extreme heat melts rock into vapor. Then, as the vapor rises and cools, it condenses into tiny rock droplets, falling back down like stone rain. Imagine looking up and instead of water, seeing sharp molten pebbles falling from a hellish sky. The universe is wilder than we ever imagined. Subscribe for more insane cosmic facts.